Hello friends, let's discuss about another important chapter in operation research, that is decision theory model. And you all know that decisions comes into picture when you have many choices. But approaching the choices, either you go directly or you can go for one stage decision making process or multi-stage decision making process. But the ultimate aim to find the best choices by which an organization will get more profit, more revenue, and create more efficiency in its particular decision making process. In the particular video, I have highlighted one of the question in front of you. I have taken that question from quantitative technique books written by the ND Vora sir. The questions highlighted about that there is a tax laws, a book on tax laws that cost around 80 rupees, and when you sold the particular books in the market, then you have to get 100 rupees. In this way you can get 20 rupees as the profit. But tax laws has been regularly changed, so once a book not been sold in a particular year, that has been resold in the next year at the cost of 30 rupees, and you don't know about how much book that has been kept by an retailer in itself, because the book demand has been changing regularly. As per the past experience of the retailer, it has been understood that the market demand of the particular book has been vary from 18 to 23 one. So retailer can kept 18 to 23 books in its book shelf. If the retailer will kept less book and the market demand will be higher or one, then retailer will regret for his decision not getting the maximum profit, or retailer will kept more book in the shelf but the market demand is the less one, then retailer again regret for his decision by incurring some loss in this process. So let's see how we can deal the things in this type of the particular questions. There are two things you need to know about that: the your own of actions or your own of approach to take the decision, that is called as the action. And another one is called as the event means that has been reflected by the market, and you don't know control about the market. And in this process you have prepared a payoff matrix. Payoff matrix means how many profit or how many loss you have to incur in a particular decision making process. Let's solve the particular questions, and after that we can discuss regarding overall profit or the loss. So here action is retailer can kept 18 books in the shelf or go ahead and kept 23 books in itself, and through this process he incurs some profit or loss. Similarly, market demand in the particular may be 18, or market demand in the particular year go to 23. Suppose in a particular year you have kept 18 books and the market demand is 18, then there will be no change, demand and supply match, or you can just write that it is 0, or any type of the change either from the supplier side or the demand side, it is 0. And subsequently there may be the option, it will vary from the different type of the change may vary from 1 to 23. 18 to 23 means the variations may be 1 to 5. In this way you have to go into solve. Suppose the particular retailer will kept 18 books and market demand is 18, then what should be the profit per book? There is the profit is 20 rupees, so 18 books the profit is 360 rupees. How many circumstances are there? This type of the condition you have to observe. When there is 19 books, and you have kept 19 books in the sale, then the profit is 19 into 20. 19 into 20. Similarly, if you kept 20 books, market demand is 20, then profit is 400. You have kept 21 books, market demand is 20, is 40, 420. You have kept 22 books, market demand is 20, 22, then you have get 440 as a profit, and you have kept 23 books, and simultaneously market demand is 20, then you will get 460 rupees as the profit. I just make all those cell into color, by which you can understand the things in a more better way. Okay, suppose market demand is 18, but you have kept 19 books in yourself. Then you have 18 books already sold out. You kept 19 books. Once you sold 18 books, then what should be your profit? This much. But one book has not been sold out, but the particular book has been purchased at 80 rupees, and the resale value of that particular book is 30 rupees. So what should be your profit in the particular time? 310. If I drag it, then you will subsequently, by keeping more and more books, you will get 310, 260, 210, 160 and 110 as the profit in the particular year when the market demand is 18. Similarly, market demand is 19. So you have to sold 19 books, but one book is already more than that. To keeping the more books in yourself, you incur some cost, and that cost of keeping one books more, your profit has been reduced down to 330. Then subsequently it has been reduced down by keeping more and more books in yourself. Similarly here, you will kept 21 books, but market demand is 20. You are keeping more one books in yourself, so the profit has been reduced down, and that profit is 350, and subsequently it will be going in this way. In the same manner, market demand is 21, and you have kept more one book in this shelf, and through this process you incur some loss, your profit has been reduced down, and that is continuing this manner. Similarly here also, market demand is 22, you kept one books more, and due to keeping one books more, you incur some loss, and ultimately it will be reduced down. In this way, keeping more books in the shelf, not understanding the market demand, you will incur some loss, and that loss has, the way of calculation of the particular loss is in this way, and hopefully you could understand the things in a better way. Okay, suppose market demand is 18. Sorry, you kept 18 books, but market demand is 19. All the books has been sold out, no issue about that. So you can say that at any cost I will get 360 rupees as a profit, because whatever the books I have, though market demand is more, I can get this amount of the profit. Whatever the market demand, but I kept 19 books in myself, then I have to get 380 rupees. Then all the books are already sold out. Similarly 400, all the books have been sold out. Similarly 420, as market demand is higher, all the books have been sold out and get good amount of the profit, that is the maximum profit. Then it's a 22 440, and in this way the complete payoff matrix, or you can say that profit loss matrix, by taking the different type of the decision making process has been formed. So I just write here, this is called about, this is called about payoff matrix. Payoff matrix. Okay. Till late, I think there will be no issue to understand the things. I just make it bold. It should not be no issue to understand the things. But just check it out that once I have taken any type of the decision, I may get some profit or I get some loss. But once I face some loss, I have to regret on that. Regret how much I have to regret? I have to regret the difference of maximum value I should get, but unfortunately I could not get the maximum value due to my incapacity to take the right decision in the right time. Suppose there will be the market demand is 18 and I have kept 18 books in the shelf, then maximum amount of the money I have to get, that is 360. Similarly, if it is 19, then also I have get 380 rupees. Similarly, 400 rupees. Similarly, 420 rupees. Similarly, 4400 rupees. And similarly, 460 rupees. That the I can say that is the maximum amount of money I have to get by keeping the right decision at the right time, but I could not take it due to my own inefficiency. I just make it a bit change of colors by which it will be easier for you. Okay. The question arises, without understanding the things I have to take the decision, then how much regret I have to passing through by which by not taking the right decision at the right time. Then what should be my regret value? Let's delete all those things because I have to calculate the regret value. How much regret I have gone through due to lack of taking the right decisions. The questions arises how I can calculate the regret value. Suppose I have kept 18 books and market demand is 18. Then I have no regret. No regret means I can say that this whatever the value or maximum value, and in the particular cell also the maximum value is 360. I just keep 360 the G16 as fix. Fix करने के लिए you have to put $1 here and another dollar here. Then it is 0. I have 0 regret. But in the subsequent way, the I have regretted in this way because I have my loss from the highest value has been reduced down by keeping more books in myself. Similarly, suppose by keeping 19 books, or by keeping 19 books, I have to get 380 rupees. I just make it a dollar value here because I like to fix the cell. It will not change. It will not change. And that should be higher or lower than the particular value, then this much. Then if I kept 20 books and market demand equal to 20, then what should be I get? I get 400 rupees. I have to get 400 rupees. Just fix it by dollar value and reduce from the whatever the value I get in the subsequent particular year. Then it will be changed accordingly. If I get 21 books in myself, I have to get at least 420 as the profit, but I could not get it due to my inefficiency to take the decisions, right decisions. Then how much I have get? 360. Then what? How much I have to regret? I will regret 60 rupees, and subsequently it will be changed. Then you can do in this way. I have 22 books. Then it should be 440. Then after that I regret something, and once I regret, how much I have to regret? Because you have to regret 360. The difference is 80 rupees I have to regret. Then I have to reduce that. Similarly, I have taken kept 23 books. If the market demand will be 23, then I have to get 460 rupees, but I could not get that. How much I gave that? I got 360 rupees. Then I have some regret. And regret value is 360. Then I have to regret 100 rupees. In this way, I have to calculate my regret table as well, because both the table has its own meaning, and you have to understand that what should be my regret value and what should be the payoff matrix. Because if you understood the things in the right manner, then subsequent analysis of getting the decision, because till late I have not taken or I have not put anything regarding the decision of how much book a particular person kept in itself. I have to elaborate how much books you have to kept in your self in my next video. But till yet, what you have learned, you learn that how to keep or how to prepare your payoff matrix, and how to develop a regret table, because every scientist or every person to take a particular decision in a different way. Hopefully till late you have to prepare both the table in a correct manner. In the next video, I have to elaborate how anyone can take the right decisions through different type of the philosophy that has been developed by different type of the scientists in their respective theory. Hopefully today's video is useful for all of you. Be connected, be tuned with me. Thank you.